Hey there, I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean house keys. You only need a couple products for this. I always prefer Clorox Greenworks. I'm going to both sides, and for sake of time I'm just going to move through the whole process, but you might want to give it a few minutes to soak. This is a great thing to do. You might want to do this every couple of weeks so you get rid of any germs from your hands, the valet's hands, anyone else who might be touching your key. Keys are probably touched by more people than you realize. Then I'm gonna just take some water. I suggest doing this by your kitchen sink so you can have some running water right here. Shake that out. Take it back to your paper towel, fold it over, kind of just work that through there. I worked it so hard that I tore the paper towel, which is fine. Kind of rinse those keys. Wow. Mark Newman-Kuzel, Made in USA, and that's how you clean house keys.